2025 is around the corner, and while we all aim to achieve our financial goal, there are some mistakes you absolutely need to avoid to secure your financial future. Stay tuned because in today's video we are going to talk about the common money traps most people fall into. Hey everyone, this is Kirti and today I'm going to talk about 8 financial mistakes which you should avoid in year 2025. Number 1. Not having a proper budget. Let's face it, if you do not know where your money is going, it's going to disappear faster than your thoughts. So just take 15 minutes to track your expenses and trust me, this small habit can save you thousands of rupees every month. Number 2. Falling for lifestyle inflation. Ever heard the phrase that don't upgrade your lifestyle before upgrading your income? It happens when you start spending more as you earn more. For instance, you just got a raise and you decided to buy a latest iPhone. Instead of saving that extra money, you're again stuck into the same financial cycle. So in this case, you need to channel your extra income into saving and investment, not just in shiny things. Number 3. Ignoring emergency fund. 2025 is unpredictable just like every other year. Not having emergency fund can leave you vulnerable for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. So let's say if you start saving next year, suppose 5,000 a month, then at the end of the year you'll be having 60,000 and that's enough buffer for the emergency fund. You can also start small but start today because even 1,000 rupees can make a big difference. Number 4. Not investing early. So time is your best friend when it comes to investing because the earlier you start, the more benefit you get from the compound interest. For instance, if a person starts saving 5,000 a month at the age of 25 versus at the age of 35, the difference amount will amaze you at the end. You know, even Albert Einstein called compounding the 8th wonder of the world. So have you started your investment journey? Tell me in the comment section. Number 5. Overusing of credit cards. Credit cards can be useful but dangerous also if misused. Overspending on credit cards can lead to heavy interest rate or mountain of debt. So this year, use your credit card for only planned purchases and try to pay the full amount to avoid the interest. Number 6. Ignoring financial education. Most people hardly know about finances because they ignore financial education. So in 2025, make it a goal to read one book or take a course on personal finances. My recommendation of book would be The Psychology of Money or maybe money related podcasts like mine. Number 7. Not setting financial goals. Don't go aimlessly. Make clear financial goals for year 2025. Let's say you wanted to save 1 lakh. So break it down clearly in weekly or monthly targets. To better understand this, just close your eyes and visualize the financial position of yours in the end of year 2025. And you can also write your financial goal in the comment section. Let's inspire each other. Number 8. Don't be too dependent on digital payments. So basically nowadays we are using too much of digital payment in our everyday life. But during these payments we do not realize that we are spending the real money. So to make sure that we are not overspending, we need to balance between the digital and the physical payment. So these are the few pointers which you can apply in the coming year 2025 to make your financial health better. So if you like the video, do share it with your friends and family who needs to hear this. And yes, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.